Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome on PC. DuckDuckGo is one of the search engine that you can use for private search results. To remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome on PC, first open your Google Chrome on your PC. Now instead of normal Google search engine, here you can see DuckDuckGo. Now if you go to your search bar and type in any of the search you want to make, then here you can see the search results are associated with DuckDuckGo instead of Google. So to remove the DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome on PC, you need to go to your new tab and then click on three dots on the top right corner. Then here you can see settings option at the last. Click on settings option. Then here you can see settings of Google Chrome. Now here you can see search engine option on the left side. Click on search engine. Now here you can see search engine used in address bar and you can see DuckDuckGo on the box. Click on DuckDuckGo box. Then here you can choose any of the search engine. You can see search engine like Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo and Yandex. Choose any of the search engine that you want to go with. I am going on with Google, so click on Google option. Then your search engine will be changed from DuckDuckGo to your Google. As you can see here, now when you open the new tab, you won't be able to see DuckDuckGo again. You will find the search engine that you have selected. I have selected Google, so here you can see Google. Now if you go to your search bar and search for any of the thing that you want, then here you can see the search results are associated with Google. This is how we can remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.